Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful crochet table runner designs, beautiful ideas, beautiful color combination contrasts you can see. New designs, new ideas, new color combination contrasts. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy crochet table cover designs. Top 50 designs and ideas. Top designer ideas you can see in this my video. Every design is different, beautiful and trendy one another. Please friends, watch my video till the end for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. You can decorate your table with beautiful and stylish crochet table cover designs with matching pillow cover designs, cushion cover designs, sofa cover designs, curtain designs, bedsheet designs, blankets. You can easily make these very beautiful crochet table covers if you know crochet work. Stylish and trendy crochet table cover ideas you can see in this my video. Most beautiful, most trendy crochet table cover designs. Decorated with flowers, beaded stones. Washable table cover designs you can see in this my video. Soft and beautiful table cover designs. Stylish colors, light colors, dark colors, beautiful color combination contrasts, matching ideas you can see in this my video. If you want to buy these very beautiful crochet table cover designs, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, etsy.com and Amazon.